Need to edit a PDF without recreating the document from scratch? Adobe Acrobat Pro DC makes it easy to convert PDFs into fully editable Word documents while preserving fonts, images, tables, and overall layout. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a PDF to Word without losing formatting, ensuring your document remains as close to the original as possible. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your documents and tools. Make sure you're signed in to take full advantage of the features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays documents you've recently worked with, making it quick and easy to locate the PDF you want to convert. From the list, select the file you want to convert to Word and open it in Adobe Acrobat. The document will load and appear on your screen, ready for conversion. Now look at the upper left corner of the interface and click Menu. A drop-down menu will appear with various options for managing your PDF. From the menu, select Export a PDF. This feature is specifically designed to convert PDF files into other formats while preserving the original structure and formatting as accurately as possible. After selecting Export a PDF, you'll see several output format options. Choose Microsoft Word and then select Word Document. This tells Adobe Acrobat to convert the PDF into an editable Word file while maintaining important formatting elements such as fonts, images, tables, spacing, and page layout. Next, choose the folder where you'd like to save the converted document. You can save it to your desktop, documents, a project directory, or any other location that fits your workflow. You'll also have the option to rename the file. If you'd like to keep the original name, you can leave it unchanged. Otherwise, enter a new file name that helps you easily identify the document later. Once you've selected the save location and file name, click Save. Adobe Acrobat will begin converting the PDF into a Word document. Depending on the size and complexity of the file, the process may take a few moments to complete. When the conversion is finished, you'll have a fully editable Word document that closely matches the appearance and formatting of the original PDF. And that's it. You've successfully converted a PDF to Word while preserving its formatting in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional Adobe Acrobat tips, tricks, and productivity guides.